Hi everyone, my name is Vasudev and I'm from Ernakulam, Kerala. So I'm a BCA graduate, and after completing my BCA, I was first searching for data analytics courses because everyone was telling me that data analytics is a good field for freshers and there are a lot of opportunities. So that's how I came upon Data Gyan. And when I saw their track records, I was really amazed because Data Gyan students were being placed in all the top MNCs. So I contacted Ranjan sir, and from the first call itself, he gave me a lot of confidence regarding my future. So I decided to join Data Gyan. About my experience in Data Gyan, what I would like to say is that first of all, the classes are really lively and interactive, so we won't feel bored at all. And then the course content is really good because we are being taught all the tools which are relevant for the workspace right now. And apart from that, what was equally important is the guidance that Ranjan sir gave us, especially for a fresher like me. I didn't have any experience, like I didn't have much experience attending interviews or in resume building and all, but sir guided us in all of that areas. And yeah, the mock interview sessions which I conducted by Data again was really helpful for me. It gave me the confidence to tackle interviews. Okay. And once I completed my course, I'm happy to say that I got multiple job offer letters from good companies and I have joined a good company with a good package. So I would definitely suggest Data again to anyone who's looking for a data science and analytic courses. Thank you.